My name is Jason Dombrowski. I am the collection manager for the Cornell University Insect Collection and the coordinator for the Insect Diagnostic Lab. And in this short video, we're going to look at what makes a beetle a beetle. Now, there's many different types of invasive species that we're actively monitoring for, and as a first detector, one of your first tasks is to try to determine what order the insect belongs to. And luckily for us, most beetles as adults are relatively easy to identify to order. And there's certain key characteristics that you have to look for. So one of the first things you look for in beetles is the presence of elytra. Elytra are the hardened wing coverings of beetles, and you can see them right here on it. And the easy way to recognize it is to look for this line down the back separating the elytra. So what I want to point out here is that underneath the elytron, if you pull it up, you can see the hind wing is tucked back in there, and all the powered flight is done with the hind wings, and they're not normally visible when it's at rest. The elytra are usually really easy to see. You can see right here, there's also typically a little scutellum that is between them, although that sometimes can be absent. It can be obscured, as you can see up here, but typically you'll see it down towards the end. And it typically covers most of the abdomen. In some beetles, the elytra are really short though, so the abdomen will stick way out, so you can see the elytra end right there with the abdomen flared out past it. Now, in other groups of insects, they can superficially look like beetles unless you look really carefully. So here we have a cockroach, and the cockroach does have hardened forewings, but they are still leathery, and they don't form a straight line down the back. They sort of go and overlap each other, and are called tegmenous. And in true bugs, they also have hardened forewings, but they form an X on the back, as you can see in this bug right here. So no straight line indicating elytra.